Hello everyone, today let me to show you how to connect the smart lock with your home Wi-Fi. So the process of the connection is the first one, use your phone to connect with the smart lock, and then use your phone to tell the lock what's your home Wi-Fi details. So then let me take off the phone, and then the lock will connect with your home Wi-Fi by itself. So this one, we have to download the app, Use SmartGo app from the Apple Store or your Android shop. When you download, and just open it. This is a many language version, so it's depending what's the language your phone use. So firstly, we add a new lock. In the corner on the right top, there's a add device. And then we choose the first one, Wi-Fi. It's running to the new page. Okay, so if you can see this page, just leave it. Let's do the rest of work on the lock. Just press star and hash.
Please verify administrator.
And then you need to input your master passcode.
Please verify administrator.
My master passcode is 3366 and 99. Then press the hash.
Operation successful. 1 user.
So on this page you can see the option. The first one is user managed. We choose 2. It's for the remote manage. Maybe such like Wi-Fi, something on your lock. It doesn't matter. We just choose the 2. So you can go to the next page. We can see the first one add Wi-Fi and 2 is delete Wi-Fi. Every time we add on the new Wi-Fi, just choose the number 2, delete everything first.
Operation successful.
So when you're done, we choose 1, add Wi-Fi. And then on this page, we need to go back to your phone setting. So from the setting, we choose the Wi-Fi. And you can see one option is named Cloud Home. The Cloud Home is the smart lock Wi-Fi. So we touch it and connect it. Look, after the connection, let's go back to the app. So you can see this one turning blue, number 3 turning blue, and then it will go into the next page. So on this page, the phone will show there's a Wi-Fi around this area. So which one is your home Wi-Fi? Just choose it. Such like me, I choose my Wi-Fi, the first one, because the signal is stronger. Okay, we choose it. And in this page, just input the passcode, your Wi-Fi passcode, and then connect it. Okay, it will be connecting now. Let's try the doorbell function.
Please look steadily at the camera.
Press the doorbell. And input your master passcode. Yep, the lock will open. That's it. It's all done. Thank you for watching my video.